Back it into my buddy's garage. I guess we didn't take into account how far the wing hangs over the trunk in the back. Kind of soft, very cracked. Thumbs way down. What's up, y'all? Back in the garage here. It's small. Car's big, but last minute decided to drive NYST, New York Safety Track, on Monday, May 17th, my birthday. Pretty sweet. Wasn't gonna. Just got back from Atlanta 2 weeks ago, I guess. 2 Mondays ago. It's on my radar, but wasn't really planning on doing it. I mentioned to the guy that organizes for AZP installs. Shout out to them for being an awesome Subaru focused shop in New Jersey. But I was chatting with him a little bit, mentioned how I kind of wanted to go, but you know, just been doing too much lately. Didn't know if I really should take the time off work or whatever. Didn't know if I wanted to spend the money, that kind of thing. And he said, well, hey, you can drive with us for free if you want to be an instructor. And I've been wanting to do more instructing. It's super fun from what I've done, but I've not done enough with enough different clubs to, you know, really get in with everyone as far as instructing goes. So looking forward to that. However, had to broken exhaust muffler hanger thingy under the car. Driving back, got 4 of them. 3 of them were good. 1 was broken. So it wasn't the end of the world. Nothing crazy, nothing major, but hey, figure I'd try to get it fixed last minute before I go do this thing. And back it into my buddy's garage. I guess we didn't take into account how far the wing hangs over the trunk in the back. Not sure if you can see that, but that bad boy is pretty cracked. Very, if you can see that crack back there, kind of soft, very cracked. Thumbs way down. But hey, when you're fixing a very cracked wing, you go to Lowe's and buy some clamps, some clear JB weld that hopefully works well on fiberglass or carbon fiber or whatever this $400 Freebay wing was. And I don't know, maybe we'll do a little expanding great stuff foam in there to stiffen it up. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm driving it tomorrow. I don't want the ring to fall off or break off, so I'm gonna try to fix it a little bit so we can go fast and see if go faster than at least last time we were there. So we got our great stuff here. See if that focuses, but we got the screwdriver jammed in there. Give us a little more room to fill this void, and hopefully get some stiffness back in here. Hopefully I don't overdo it and fill too much of this crack up. But I guess we'll see. Alright, what else are you gonna do? Stuff's already getting kind of smelly here. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but definitely is a thing. Well, there's a bunch of great stuff expanding foam in the wing. Bunch of clamps, some wood. Hopefully that foam doesn't go too crazy with the expansion. I don't know. I never really used the stuff inside a hollow anything before. Sprayed it around the house a little bit, but never into a wing. So hopefully it does kind of what I wanted to do and give it some support in the internal structure there. and guess after that, just hope for the best. Side note, races are won or lost in the garage. Lifetime records are broken in the garage. Yeah, even in this one. Records shattered every day. Yeah, what do we got here? While I'm waiting for that junk on the wing to dry, had to adjust, I got a QA1 rebuildable adjustable ball joint. I don't know what the point of having adjustability built in is, but I noticed I had a little bit of play side to side. I thought it was a wheel bearing, snugged up the wheel bearing. It wasn't the wheel bearing. I put these ball joints on last year, just kind of threw them out of the box. Didn't adjust them, didn't check them, just slapped them on and started tracking the car. Yeah, had a little bit of knock, not knock, but a little bit of play in it. Looked up how to adjust it by the tool. The QA1 tool right here. It's hollowed out here. Fits over the Zerk fitting. It's a hex inside of here. Hex inside of there. And then it's got this pin spanner thing to adjust the lock nut. Just, I don't know, snugged it till it was more snug, and we're gonna try it. We're gonna see how it goes. Gonna make it official. Gonna put the AMP, Atlanta Motorsports decal. Guess that's where she's living. There we go. Track number 70. 25 maybe, I don't know.
Tires are pretty good.
Yeah, I'll bring her back in one piece.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah.
Wow, what a treat. Wow, this is something.